Hi, it's David here. In my newest book, Own Your Freedom, I discuss the evolution of a free person. Now, this book is about freedom. So freedom means free, a free person. What does that mean? It means when we start out in life, we start out as usually a technical worker. We have degrees, we have education, we have licenses. We go into business to a career path, and we are technical in the work we do. We trade time for dollars. We all start there. Nothing wrong with that at all. But there's an evolution to get to true freedom, and it doesn't mean you continue to trade time for dollars the rest of your life. The next step is to become a business operator. You could take your technical skills, but you learn the mechanics of business and you actually own the business. Now, at that point, the business still really owns you because you're having to do both. You're providing the technical skills that you provide, that you learn how to do, and you're also operating the business. That's a step forward, but you're still not free at that point. Where most people get stuck when they think they really own a business, the business owns them. Don't stop there. Next would be a true business owner. Now, that's where you've elevated yourself in that business to the point where you are not required to be in that business for that business to run. You may still want to be involved there. You may have high-level meetings, but you've got freedom to travel, be outside, to really work on the business, not so much in the business. So that's the next step. After that, after being a business owner, learning how to market the products or services of that business. A marketer. Marketing is one of the chief skills that unfortunately are really not taught in school, and most small business owners don't really understand that if they learn how to better market their product or services for their business, the business would be much better, more profitable. That's the next step. What's the last step? The last step in the evolution is to become an investor. Yes, an investor. Investor means you are now investing in other businesses or other assets that you don't have to run or manage at all. You're taking participations with other people in those assets. That's the highest level, and I love being at that point. Now, you can do some of all if you want to. You don't have to stop being a technical provider. If you love what you do and you love actually doing the work to some degree, fine, do it. But understanding a real business, understanding the fact that you can be a marketer, and then ultimately investing in other people, that's broad diversification. I don't have all my eggs in one basket when I'm diversified out into being an investor in multiple tangible assets through multiple people, businesses, real estate, one of my favorites. That's the evolution of a free person. It's in the book, Own Your Freedom. Get a copy today. Read that chapter. Understand what it means. It's very, very powerful. Most people never get it because they've never been shown the vision of what it means to be a free person. Remember, always stay focused on your freedom. I'll see you next time.